Welcome to our video tutorial on how to create stunning videos with Fleeky's text-to-video AI. With Fleeky, you can easily transform your plain text into captivating video presentations. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up for a Fleeky account on their website. Once you've signed up, you'll have access to a wide range of features and tools. Step 2. Choose your video template. Fleeky offers a variety of templates to suit different industries and purposes. Select the one that aligns with your content and message. Step 3. Customize your video. Fleeky allows you to modify various aspects such as colors, fonts, and background music. Tailor it to match your brand or desired aesthetic. Step 4. Input your text. Simply copy and paste your desired text into Fleeky's text box. You can include headings, subheadings, and any other necessary text elements. Step 5. Enhance your video with visuals. Fleeky's AI technology can automatically generate relevant images and videos based on your text. These visual elements will bring your story to life. Step 6. Edit your video. Fleeky provides an intuitive editing interface that allows you to rearrange scenes, adjust timings, and fine-tune transitions. Make sure your video flows smoothly. Step 7. Preview and finalize. Take a moment to review your video and make any last-minute changes. Once you're satisfied, you can render the final video in just a few clicks. Congratulations! You've successfully created a captivating video with Fleeky's text-to-video AI. Now, go ahead and share it with your audience to make a lasting impact. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. See you next time.